In today's digital age, Google Maps has evolved beyond just a navigation tool. It has become a powerful platform for generating income. In this video, we will explore various strategies for leveraging Google Maps for financial gain. From local businesses to freelancers, numerous opportunities are waiting to be tapped. Understanding how to utilize Google Maps effectively can open many income possibilities. For instance, businesses can enhance their visibility through Google My Business, attracting more customers and increasing sales. Freelancers can offer services like local SEO optimization, helping companies rank higher in local searches. Additionally, affiliate marketers can use Google Maps to promote regional attractions or services, earning referral commissions. The potential benefits of using Google Maps for income generation are immense. Google Maps can help you establish a steady stream of revenue and gives you an opportunity to work flexibly and creatively. Imagine earning money while exploring your city or helping local businesses thrive. This video will guide you through the essential steps to get started, share success stories, and provide tips to maximize your earnings. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just looking for a side hustle, stay tuned as we dive into the exciting world of earning money with Google Maps. Your journey to financial freedom could be just a map away. The first crucial step to earning money with Google Maps is to set up your Google My Business account. Begin by visiting the Google My Business website to create an account tailored to your business needs. This platform is essential for enhancing your online presence and making it easier for potential customers to find you. Once you're on the site, you'll need to fill in your business details accurately. This includes your business name, address, and phone number. Ensure that all information is correct and consistent with what appears on your website and other online listings. This consistency helps improve your local search rankings and builds trust with potential customers. After entering your details, the next step is to verify your business. Google provides a verification process that typically involves receiving a postcard with a unique verification code at your business address. This step is vital, as it confirms that you are a legitimate business owner and allows you to manage your listing effectively. Once verified, you can enhance your profile by adding photos, business hours, and services offered. This attracts more customers and boosts your credibility in the eyes of potential clients. Setting up your Google My Business account is a foundational step that can significantly impact your ability to earn money through Google Maps. Once your Google My Business account is set up and verified, optimizing your listing for maximum visibility and engagement is next. A well-optimized listing can significantly enhance your chances of attracting new customers and increasing your revenue. Start by adding high-quality images of your business and products. Visual content is crucial in capturing the attention of potential customers. Showcase your storefront, interior, and any products or services you offer. High-resolution images can create a positive first impression and encourage users to choose your business over competitors. Next, write a compelling business description that includes relevant keywords. This description should convey what your business does, its unique selling points, and why customers should choose you. Incorporating keywords related to your industry will help improve your ranking in local search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Additionally, encourage your customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews enhance your credibility and influence potential customers' decisions. Responding to positive and negative reviews shows that you value customer feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. This interaction can foster trust and encourage more people to choose your business. By optimizing your Google My Business listing with quality images, a well-crafted description, and customer reviews, you position your business for greater visibility and success in the competitive online marketplace. To effectively leverage Google Maps to earn money, it's essential to utilize local SEO strategies that enhance your visibility in local searches. This step will help you attract more customers from your area and establish a robust online presence. Start by incorporating local keywords into your website content and Google My Business profile. Identify keywords relevant to your business and location, such as best coffee shop in your city or affordable plumbing services near me. Strategically placing these keywords in your website's content, meta descriptions, and Google My Business profile can improve your chances of appearing in local search results. Next, ensure your business is listed in local directories and maps. Being present on platforms like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and local Chamber of Commerce websites can enhance your credibility and visibility. These listings often link back to your Google My Business profile, further boosting your local SEO efforts. Engaging with local community events is another effective way to increase your visibility. Sponsor local events, participate in fairs, or host workshops to connect with your community. This not only helps you build relationships, but also encourages word-of-mouth referrals. When people see your active involvement in the community, they are more likely to choose your business over others. By implementing these local SEO strategies, you can effectively utilize Google Maps to attract more customers and increase your income potential. Step 4. Monetize through affiliate marketing. Once you have established your Google My Business listing and optimized it for local SEO, you can explore monetization through affiliate marketing. This strategy allows you to earn commissions by promoting local businesses that offer affiliate programs, creating a win-win situation for you and the companies you partner with. Start by identifying local businesses that offer affiliate programs. Many restaurants, shops, and service providers have affiliate opportunities that allow you to earn a percentage of sales generated through your referrals. Research these businesses and choose those that align with your audience and brand. This ensures that the services you promote resonate with potential customers. Next, promote their services through your Google Maps listing. You can include affiliate links in your business description or create posts highlighting special offers or events from these local businesses. By doing so, you provide valuable information to your audience and encourage them to take action, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Tracking your referrals and earnings is crucial for understanding the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Most affiliate platforms provide dashboards where you can monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. This data will help refine your strategies and focus on the most profitable partnerships. By monetizing through affiliate marketing, you can create an additional income stream while supporting local businesses. This approach enhances your credibility and fosters a sense of community, making it a rewarding venture for everyone involved. Step 5. Offer guided tours or services. As you continue to explore ways to earn money through Google Maps, consider offering guided tours or services that showcase your area's unique aspects. This approach allows you to share your passion for your community and creates memorable experiences for visitors and locals alike. Start by creating unique experiences or tours that highlight the best your area has to offer. Use Google Maps to identify popular attractions, hidden gems, and local favorites. Design itineraries that cater to different interests, such as food tours, historical walks, or adventure excursions. By providing a well-rounded experience, you can attract a diverse clientele eager to explore your region. Next, market your services through social media platforms and your Google My Business listing. Share engaging content such as photos and videos from your tours to capture the attention of potential customers. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on your Google My Business profile, as positive feedback can significantly enhance your credibility and attract new clients. Competitive pricing is essential for attracting customers while ensuring profitability. Research similar services in your area to determine a fair price point. Additionally, providing excellent customer service will encourage repeat business and referrals. Be responsive to inquiries, flexible with scheduling, and attentive to your clients' needs during tours. By offering guided tours or services, you can create a rewarding business model that leverages Google Maps to connect with your community and generate income. This venture enriches the local experience and allows you to share your knowledge and passion with others. Step 6. Leverage Google Maps for advertising. Leveraging advertising can be a game changer for maximizing your earning potential with Google Maps. Google Ads allows you to promote your business directly on Google Maps, ensuring that your services reach a wider audience actively searching for what you offer. Start by setting up Google Ads to create targeted campaigns that showcase your business on Google Maps. This platform enables you to design ads that appear when users search for relevant keywords in your area. Doing so can attract potential customers who are already interested in your services, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Targeting specific demographics and locations is crucial for optimizing your advertising efforts. Google Ads allows you to define your audience based on factors such as age, gender, interests, and geographic location. By honing in on your ideal customer profile, you can ensure that your ads are seen by those most likely to engage with your business, enhancing your overall reach and effectiveness. Monitoring ad performance is essential for refining your strategies. Google Ads provides valuable insights into your campaign's performance, including click-through rates and conversion metrics. Regularly reviewing this data lets you identify what's working and what isn't, enabling you to make informed campaign adjustments. By leveraging Google Maps for advertising, you can significantly boost your visibility and attract more customers. This strategic approach enhances your business's online presence and drives revenue growth, making it a vital component of your overall marketing strategy. If you don't have a business, you can refine the skills already listed in this video and sell these services to regional companies. Selling SEO and Google Maps services to local businesses requires a strategic approach, emphasizing the value and tangible benefits your services can offer. Here's how you can do it. Identify potential clients. Start by researching local businesses that could benefit from improved online visibility. Look for businesses with outdated websites, poor online reviews, or incomplete Google My Business profiles. These businesses are more likely to see the value in your services. Create a targeted pitch. Develop a compelling pitch that highlights how your services can solve their specific problems. Focus on the pain points of the business, such as low foot traffic, poor online visibility, or competition from other local businesses. Explain how your SEO and Google Maps optimization can help them attract more customers, increase sales, and grow their business. Leverage case studies and testimonials. If you have experience or past successes, showcase them. Use case studies and testimonials to demonstrate the effectiveness of your services. Show potential clients how you've helped other businesses achieve tangible results, such as higher search rankings or increased customer inquiries. Offer a free audit or consultation. One way to get your foot in the door is to offer a free audit of their current online presence. Provide insights into their website's performance, Google My Business listing, and local SEO. Highlight areas where they can improve and offer your services to implement these changes. Network locally. Attend local business events, join chambers of commerce, and participate in community activities where you can meet business owners. Networking in person can help build trust and relationships, making it easier to sell your services. Utilize email and direct marketing. Craft personalized emails or direct mail campaigns targeted at local businesses. In your communication, briefly explain the benefits of local SEO and Google Maps optimization, and offer a free consultation or audit to discuss how you can help them. Showcase your expertise online. Create content on your website, blog, or social media channels that addresses common challenges faced by local businesses. Write articles, make videos, or host webinars on topics like how to improve your local SEO or the importance of Google My Business for local businesses. This positions you as an expert and attracts businesses that need your help. Build a referral network. Collaborate with other professionals who serve local businesses, such as web developers, graphic designers, or marketing consultants. They can refer clients to you when they encounter businesses that need SEO or Google Maps services. Follow up and close. After your initial contact, follow up consistently with potential clients. Address any questions or concerns they may have, and reiterate the benefits of your services. When they're ready, present a clear proposal outlining the services you'll provide, the costs, and the expected outcomes. Be prepared to negotiate and close the deal. By focusing on building relationships, demonstrating value, and offering tailored solutions, you can effectively sell SEO and Google Maps services to local businesses, creating a successful and profitable business venture. Conclusion: earning money using Google Maps. In this video, we've explored several effective strategies to earn money using Google Maps. We began by setting up your Google My Business account, ensuring your business is accurately represented online. Next, we discussed optimizing your listing with high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and customer reviews to enhance visibility and credibility. We then delved into utilizing Google Maps for local SEO, emphasizing the need to incorporate local keywords and engage with your community. We then explored monetizing through affiliate marketing by partnering with local businesses and promoting their services. Offering guided tours or services was another exciting avenue we covered, allowing you to share unique experiences while generating income. Finally, we highlighted the power of leveraging Google Maps for advertising through Google Ads, targeting specific demographics to maximize your reach and monitoring performance for continuous improvement. Now that you understand these steps comprehensively, it's time to take action. Implement these strategies to earn money with Google Maps and watch your business grow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your journey to success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.